Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Magic Talk Show, the education podcast channel that helps students and professionals to build successful career by learning about leadership, management skills, entrepreneurship, and build a growth mindset to stand out in their career journey. In our exclusive series called Kitab Shala, we have creatively curated 7 lessons in 7 minutes from the incredible life transforming books which will put you and your success on fast forward mode. Each nugget of wisdom is like golden key unlocking the doors to personal and professional transformation. This format of 7 lessons in 7 minutes which help you to digest the toughest lessons learning from the book with fun and joyous experience. Come and join us in this movement. If you want a weekly dose of motivation through self-help books, do follow our Magic Talk Show podcast and press the bell icon to stay updated on our podcast release on every Thursday and Sunday. Also, don't forget to rate our episode if you like it. Today, in this episode of Kitab Shala, we will unveil a book called The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz, which is a thought-provoking and a transformative book that offers practical wisdom for living more fulfilling and authentic life. The 4 Agreements by Don Ruiz is like a treasure map for a happy life, showing simple ways to find personal freedom. It's a really awesome book that takes ancient wisdom and turns it into the guide for everyday living. The author shares 4 super important agreements, kind of like promises we can make to ourselves. These promises are like magical key that unlock the emotional freedom and makes our relationship and experiences way more awesome. It's like a friendly handbook saying, hey, follow these 4 cool agreements and your life can become a really fantastic adventure. The book is full of wisdom. It's easy to understand, making it feel like a wise friend giving great advices for happier and more fulfilling journey. Here are 7 amazing lessons in this book. Number 1, in 4 agreements, being impeccable with your words is like using your words as a magical tools for good. It's all about speaking truthfully and kindly, like a superhero honesty. The author suggests that our words have superpower. They can build trust and make relationships stronger. It's like saying, let's use our words to spread the joy, not gossip or hurt anyone. Being a word wizard means people can rely on what you say, making you a trustworthy friend. So it's cool agreement to remember, speak with love, and your words become powerful spells that create good vibe and happier connections. Lesson 2. Don't take things personally. In this book, not taking things personally is like having a superhero shield for your feelings. It's the idea that what others say or do is more about them and less about you. The author is like a wise friend saying, hey, don't let someone else's stuff become your stuff. It's like understanding everyone has their own story and sometimes their actions are about their journey, not yours. So it's a cool agreement to remember. When someone's word or the action feel like rain cloud, just let it pass and your sunny mood stay intact. It's like having an emotional armor, choosing to stay happy and not carry unnecessary baggages from others. Lesson 3. Don't make assumptions. According to the author, not making assumption is like being a detective for good vibes. He suggests that assuming things without checking can be a like mix-up. It's like saying, let's avoid misunderstanding by asking questions and being curious. The book teaches that guess what others think or mean can lead to unnecessary troubles. It's like having a cool strategy. Instead of assuming, just ask and clear up if there's any confusion. It's a reminder that open communication is like a superhero power that saves us from unnecessary conflicts and keep the relationship stronger. Making friends with question is a smart move for a smoother drama-free journey. Lesson 4. always do your best. The book Four Agreements, doing your best is like having a superhero cap for every day. He says, give it your all, but don't be too hard on yourself. It's like saying you have already awesome just to do your best moment. The book teaches that aiming at personal excellence is a way cooler than trying to be perfect. It's a reminder that our best might look different each day, but that's totally fine. Do your best is like planting seeds of fulfillment and inner peace, creating a garden of happiness in your everyday adventure. It's a high five to efforts and a hug to self kindness on the journey called life. Lesson 5, the power of awareness. In the book Four Agreement, the power of awareness is like having a magical mirror of self discovery. He says, hey, knowing yourself is a key to becoming a superhero of personal growth. It's like paying attention to your thoughts and action, kind of being your own detective. The book suggests that understanding why we do things can break free from not so great habits and make us better. Lesson number 6, overcoming limiting beliefs. Overcoming limiting beliefs is like breaking free from imaginary chains. It's like turning self doubt into superhero confidence. The book suggests that by admitting and changing those I can't thoughts, you unlock a treasure chest of your awesome potential. So, it's a cool agreement to say, I am not limited, I am limitless. Overcoming limiting belief is like giving you dreams wings to fly and shouting, I am free. It's a reminder that you are the author of your own story, and rewriting those limitation chapters can make your adventure way more exciting. Lesson 7, embracing forgiveness. In this book, embracing forgiveness is like giving your heart a big warm hug. He says, let's go of grudges and make the room for peace inside. It's like saying forgiving is not for them, it's for you. The book teaches that holding on to hurt is like carrying heavy backpacks of sadness, but forgiveness is like settling those bags down. So it's a cool agreement to say, I forgive, not because they deserve it, because I deserve peace. Embracing forgiveness is like watering a garden of healing, making space for joy, positive vibes to grow in our heart. It's a reminder that a real superhero move is choosing peace over pain on this amazing journey called life. And ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap. We just zipped through the key lessons from the book The Four Agreements in under 7 minutes. By implementing these agreements into daily lives, readers can experience profound personal growth and find greater happiness and contentment. See, I told you, you don't need to be book expert to enjoy this and apply this wisdom in your life. We have made it short and sweet. In the next episode, we will cover insights from the book The Think Like Monk, which feels like having a super wise friend who knows all about finding the peace and happiness in our lives. Thank you.